Hey, welcome to Art2, a channel for those that want to sell their art online. If you're looking for a way to make some extra money or to create a new revenue stream from your print-on-demand business, Zazzle may be the answer. Zazzle is a print-on-demand site that allows you to create and sell products online. So if you're familiar with Redbubble, Society6 designed by humans, then you might have also heard of Zazzle, and you can create anything from clothing and accessories to home decor and gifts. So if you're not already signed up for Zazzle, you can sign up for the site. It's free. And creating products on Zazzle is a great way to get started with print on demand if you don't already have another platform you're uploading to. You can use Zazzle to create products that promote your business or blog, or you can use it to sell products yourself. There's no setup fees or minimum orders, so it's a great option for small businesses and entrepreneurs to get started in print on demand with a platform that can create their designs on various products and has a worldwide reach. Zazzle also offers a wide selection of printing options, so you can create products that look professional and high quality. There are many ways to make money on Zazzle, from selling prints and products to creating custom designs. There's something for everybody, and one of the nicest features on Zazzle is that someone can take your design and actually add onto it, so they can embellish your design and turn it into themselves. Whether you're looking into increasing your income or just supplementing your existing income, there are plenty of ways to make money on Zazzle. The nice thing about Zazzle is that the more time and work you put into it, the better the results will be. I'd like to share some hints and tips with you that help me raise both the numbers of sales and the amount of money that I generated on Zazzle. Keywords and tags have the power to make or break a product. You could have a wonderful design, but no one will find it unless you chose the right keywords. One of the most important aspects of online selling, in my opinion, is keyword usage. For products sold on Zazzle and other print-on-demand sites, it's essential to use accurate and relevant keywords in product titles, descriptions, and tags. However, I don't just focus on keywords when marketing my products on these sites. I also make sure to use strong and accurate descriptions as well as relevant targeted tags. Now, that's how a lot of the things that I create get found online, is because I do take the time to use the right tags and descriptions for the designs that I'm uploading to print-on-demand websites. The reason why keyword usage is so important is because it helps buyers find your product. When people are searching for items online, they often use specific keywords to find what they're looking for. If you include those same keywords in your product titles, descriptions, and tags, your products will show up in search results when people are looking for those items. This increases the chances that people will find and buy your products. If you're looking for ways to improve your visibility on Zazzle, following some of these tips can help. First, be sure to create detailed product tags and descriptions. That's number one. Additionally, make use of marketing tools like keyword targeted promotions and featured artist listings to give your products an extra boost. And lastly, be sure to keep your shop active by adding new items regularly. This will help keep your shop in the spotlight and attract new customers. Creating a blog is a great way to promote your Zazzle products. You can write about the products you're selling, post pictures of the products, and even create coupon codes for your readers. You can also use your blog to write about other topics that are related to your shop, such as fashion, home decor, or pets. When creating blog posts about your Zazzle products, be sure to include high quality images. This will help show off your products and encourage people to click through to your shop. You can also create coupon codes through Zazzle for your readers to use on their next purchase shop. So make sure that you are using that tool so that you can increase the number of sales that you're getting through your blog posts or other social media presence by offering coupon codes back to your shop. Including a link to your shop in each of your blog posts is a great way to increase traffic and sales. You can also add links to specific products or collections on your shop's homepage. Opening a Zazzle shop is a great way to share your artwork with the world and make some money on the side, but coming up with new design ideas can be tough. Here are a few tips to help you get started. Look for inspiration in your everyday life. Keep a sketchbook handy to draw or write down interesting designs or patterns that you use. Use online resources like Pinterest or design websites to get ideas for product concepts. Experiment with different mediums. Try using different software programs or paints to create new designs. Don't be afraid to experiment. Think about your target audience and what they would like to buy. If you can find a niche market, you'll have a better chance of success. Get feedback from friends and families about your designs before launching them on Zazzle. In conclusion, by following these tips provided in this video, you can grow your Zazzle shop and make more money. Remember to be creative and think outside the box, and to be continuously producing high quality products. Utilizing the resources available to you, including social media and online piece, and stay up to date with the latest trends in order to stay ahead of the competition. With hard work and dedication, you can create a successful Zazzle shop that generates a healthy income stream. If you liked today's video and have not already subscribed, do it now so you know when the next video is uploaded. We constantly upload videos to help you sell online. So until the next video, have a great day, guys.